What happens when I reset my air conditioning unit?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about what happens when you reset your air conditioning unit. Resetting your unit can be an important step in troubleshooting, or as a part of routine maintenance. Understanding the process and implications can help you better manage your home's climate control. The important takeaway here is that resetting an AC unit usually involves turning it off and then back on again after a brief interval, with potential benefits such as restoring normal operation and solving some common issues.
Why would I need to reset my AC unit?
There could be a number of reasons why you might need to reset your AC unit. Perhaps the unit is not cooling efficiently, it's making unusual noises, or it's not responding to your thermostat settings. In some cases, resetting the unit can solve these issues by clearing internal errors in the system and allowing it to start fresh. Remember, resetting your AC unit should not replace regular maintenance and inspections by a professional.
What happens internally when I reset my AC unit?
When you reset your AC unit, you're essentially interrupting its power supply. This action causes the internal controls of the unit to stop, and any errors or glitches that may have occurred are usually cleared out. After the unit has been off for a short time, typically 5 to 10 minutes, it can then be turned back on and will start fresh, as if it had just been powered up for the first time. This can often resolve minor issues and restore normal functioning.
How do I reset my AC unit?
The process of resetting your AC unit may vary slightly depending on the model, but it usually involves the following steps. 1. Turn off your AC unit. This is often done at the thermostat. 2. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the unit time to fully power down and clear out any errors. 3. Turn the unit back on. It will start up fresh, and hopefully, any minor issues will be resolved. Remember, if you continue to experience problems with your AC unit after resetting it, you should contact a professional. So there you have it. When you reset your AC unit, it's much like giving it a fresh start. This process can often solve minor issues and restore normal functioning. However, remember that this is not a substitute for regular maintenance or professional repairs when necessary. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on the reset process for your AC unit, and you feel more confident in managing your home's climate control system. Thank you for watching.